Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to discuss on the topic estrous cycle. You have any idea regarding estrous cycle? Anyone, please? You have any idea regarding estrous cycle?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please inform.
আমাদের হিউম্যান ম্যামালস এর ক্ষেত্রে যেমন মেনস্ট্রুয়াল সাইকেল হয় 30 দিন অন্তর, সেরকমই যেগুলো নন প্রাইমেট ম্যামালস আছে তাদের ক্ষেত্রে স্যার আমরা ইস্টার সাইকেল দেখতে পাই।
Thank you. The estrous cycle, the spelling of the estrous cycle may be ESTROUS, maybe OESTROUS. Actually, British spelling OESTROUS. It is also known as sexual cycle, and it is the recurring physiological changes that are induced by reproductive hormones in most mammalian therian females, except humans, in which non-pregnant endometrium is reabsorbed rather than shed. Endometrium shedding hoy na, endometrium reabsorption hoy. And sexual response occurs only during the mid-cycle at estrus. So particular একটা ফেজে sexual response show করে, সেই ফেজটাকে আমি কি বলছি? estrus. I repeat again, the estrus cycle, that is the sexual cycles that occurs especially in mammalian therian females except humans, in which non-pregnant endometrium is reabsorbed rather than shed, and sexual response occurs only during mid-cycle at estrus. আমি এখানে অনেকগুলো কথা বললাম, অনেকগুলো টার্ম ইউজ করলাম। আচ্ছা, what do you mean by primates? Any idea what are primates? You have any idea what are primates? What are non-primates? What are the difference in between the primates and non-primates? The primates are ape, monkeys, and human, and they have 4 limbs, a high degree of mobility in their shoulder, and obviously the shoulder joint that is rotating, that is the important, and forward facing eyes, that is a stereoscopic vision, and a high degree of intelligence, that is important. In case of the primates, development of brain occurs as a high level, whereas in case of the non-primates, the brain is small. That is the non-primates. So the brain is highly developed in case of the primates, and high degree of intelligence occurs. And there is another characteristic features in case of the primates, a big toe that is widely separated from the other toes. So that are the main characteristic features of the primates. Now I mentioned here theria. What are the theria? Basically it is a subclass theria, and they are distinguished by the presence of the features of mammary glands and also the features of placenta. আমি কি বললাম যে estrous cycle কাদের দেখা যাবে? মোস্ট অফ দ্য থেরিয়ান ফিমেলস এর ক্ষেত্রে, হিউম্যান বাদে, যেখানে নন প্রেগন্যান্ট এন্ডোমেট্রিয়াম ইজ রিঅ্যাবসর্বড রাদার দ্যান সেড, and sexual response occurs only during mid cycle at estrus. Scientist Crowe 2020 defined as the cyclical pattern of ovarian activity that facilitates female animals to go from a period of reproductive receptivity to non-receptivity, ultimately allowing the establishment of pregnancy following mating. That is known as estrous cycle. Estrous cycle, it is a sexual cycle of female mammals except the higher primates. আমি আগেই বলেছি, except human, during which they are heat. That is a estrus phase. That is a mid of the cycle. That is a mid of the cycles where the sexual response occurs. That is known as heat. আমি আসবো বলবো। So most of the mammals have a periodic ovulation pattern in which the female ovulates only at specific time of the year. একটা particular সময় এই তারা ovulation করে, and this ovulation period is known as estrus. ওই যে সময়টা ovulation হচ্ছে, that is known as estrus, that is known as heat. So that is ready to accept a male to female. That's mean তার mating যে partner সেই mating partner কে আকৃষ্ট করছে। So males can recognize a female in heat by smell. By smell, certain substances, obviously pheromones, that are secreted only at the portion of this particular cycle, and the female's genital area may be swollen during stress, and she may show by a variety of behavioral signals that she is ready to mate. That's mean pheromone produce করছে, সেই pheromone গুলো প্রোডাকশনের দ্বারা মেল ফিমেল আকৃষ্ট হচ্ছে, এবং সিমিলারলি ফিমেলের যে জেনিটাল যে এরিয়া সে তারও কিছু চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে, এর ফলে আকৃষ্ট হচ্ছে মেলরা। and obviously environmental factors that stimulate the hypothalamus to release the gonadotropin releasing hormone. You know what are the GnRH. Now the GnRH stimulates the pituitary to release gonadotropins such as follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Now they cause on ovarian follicular cells to proliferate and secrete estrogen. Now estrogen evokes the pattern of mating behavior characteristics of the species, and the gonadotropins also stimulates the follicular growth and initiate ovulation. Thus mating behavior and ovulation occur close together. Understand? Hypothalamus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next I move on, next slides. So now the length of the cycle depends on the species. Easter cycles অনেক অ্যানিমালস এর দেখা যায়, কিন্তু সাইকেলের লেন্থের উপর ডিপেন্ড করে। অ্যানিমালস গুলোকে আমি এখানে তিনটে ক্যাটাগরিতে ভেঙেছি। What are the category? Polystress animals. Estrus cycles occur throughout the year. কাদের কাদের ক্ষেত্রে হয়? ক্যাটেল, পিগস, মাইস, র‍্যাটস এর ক্ষেত্রে হয়। নেক্সট, সিজনালি polystress animals. That's mean সারা বছর ধরেই হবে, কিন্তু পার্টিকুলার একটা সিজনে হবে। That's mean season polystress, ওই পার্টিকুলার সময়ই হবে। That's mean animals have multiple estrus cycles but only during certain periods of the year, and that is categorized as short day breeders and long day breeders. বুঝতেই পারছো, লং ডে সামারে, শর্ট ডে কখন হবে? উইন্টারে হবে। Short day breeders are the sheep, goat, fox, white-tailed deer, elk are sexually active in the fall or winter seasons, whereas the long day breeders such as horses, hamsters are sexually active in spring and summer. Now the last one, monoestrus cycles. That's mean mono mean
Single.
That's mean
Single.
they have only one estrus cycle per year, such as the dogs, you know, a particular season dogs breed করে, wolves, foxes and bear. So these are the divisions of the sexual cycles depending on the length of the cycles. What are the polyestrus? So many. Seasonally, that's when they have multiple estrus cycles but certain periods of the year. And then last one is the monoestrus cycles, only one. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now it describes what are the ovarian and vaginal changes occurs cyclically during the estrus cycles, and that are divided into 4 substages. What are the substages? Proestrus, that is also known as follicular phase. Actually in this phase building up occurs. Then estrus, it is also known as heat. আমি একটু আগে বলেছিলাম যে most of the mammals have a periodic ovulation pattern in which female ovulates only at specific times of the year. So that is the ovulation period. That ovulation period is estrus, that is known as heat, that is ready to accept a male and to mate. So that is important, estrus. And another one is metaestrus, that is a luteal phase, and the last one is diestrus. And you see here different changes in the epithelial cells are occurs, and this is the cycles. Here you see proestrus, then estrus, then metaestrus, and the last one is a diestrus. Now the first one, proestrus, it is a follicular phase and it is a building up phase. What are the features? It is the first stage in the estrus cycle, and that is characterized by development of both the endometrium and ovarian follicles. এই পার্টিকুলার সময়ে এন্ডোমেট্রিয়াম এবং ওভারিয়ান যে ফলিকলস এর গঠন হচ্ছে, সেই জন্যই আমি এই ফেজটাকে বলেছি বিল্ডিং আপ ফেজ। Now Graafian follicles develops in the ovary and secrete estrogens. You see here, that is a proestrus. Here the Graafian follicles are developed. nucleated epithelial cells appear. You see here, it's a nucleated epithelial cell. Now, typically, this phase can last as little as 1 day or as long as 3 weeks, depending on the species. Species এর উপর depend করে এটা একদিনও হতে পারে, এটা 21 দিনও হতে পারে, এটা ভ্যারি করে। Next, that is important. That is a estrus phase. That is a heat phase in which ovulations occurs, in which mating occurs. So it is a next stage of the proestrus phase. Here the female is ready to mate and become sexually attractive to the female, and that is referred to as heat. Now the the female temperature does increase slightly, temperature to all body, and pheromones have play a momentous role at this stage in her cycles. And you know what are the estrogen, what are the progesterones, what are the luteinizing hormone, what are the follicle stimulating hormone? You have clear idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. In this phase, follicular stimulating hormone decreases. Why decreases? Due to presence of estrogen and inhibin. And there is another important LAE surge occurs. প্রচুর পরিমাণে luteinizing hormone ক্ষরণ হবে. And follicles become larger, and estrus stops. কখন estrus stop হবে? Just after ovulation. Ovulation হয়ে যাবে, estrus cycle stop হয়ে যাবে. And confined squamous cell appears. Confined squamous cells appear. You see here, so confined squamous cells appear here. Now, metaestrus, that is a luteal phase. You know, follicle become larger and estrus stops, just ovulation occurs. So that's mean corpus luteum develops. You know corpus luteum? Corpus luteum
Yes, sir.
ruptured follicles থেকে যখন secretion হয়ে যাবে, ovulation হয়ে যাবে, that is a ruptured follicle থেকে corpus luteum develop করবে। এবার আমাকে বলতে পারবে এই সময় হচ্ছে হরমোনাল কি চেঞ্জ হবে? কোন হরমোন বাড়বে, কোন হরমোন কমবে? Increase in progesterone. Progesterone level
Progesterone,
right, progesterone বাড়বে and কমবে
estrogen.
yes, right,
Estrogen.
yes. And similarly, follicle stimulating hormone increases. Why? Due to triggering the growth of the follicles. And leukocytes among cornified squamous cells appears. That is another important characteristic features. And this phase typically is brief, খুব ছোট. It may last for 1 to 5 days depending on the species. That is a metaestrus and that is a luteal phase. And then diestrus phase. It is the last stage of the estrus cycles, just before the next cycles of the proestrus. That's mean next cycle continue হচ্ছে, এই cycleটা শেষ হচ্ছে, that is a diestrus. And that is characterized by functional corpus luteum and increase in blood concentration of the progesterone. আমি আগেই বলেছি মেটাইস্টাসের ক্ষেত্রে যে ইনক্রিজ ইন প্রোজেস্টেরন, ডিক্রিজ ইন এস্ট্রোজেন, এই সময় কি ব্লাড কনসেন্ট্রেশনে প্রোজেস্টেরন বেশি থাকবে। এন্ড ইউটেরাস কি জন্য রেডি থাকবে? কি জন্য রেডি থাকবে?
Implantation.
রেডি ফর ইমপ্ল্যান্টেশনস। and no reproductive activity, এই সময় কোনো reproductive activity হবে না। Nucleated epithelial cells and leukocytes appear. And then another anestrus, not a stage in the estrus cycles, it is not the stage, but a prolonged period of sexual rest where the reproductive system is quiescent. You know, G0 phase in the cell cycle, just like cyclical changes in the secretion of the hormones from the pituitary, from the gonads, and from the uterus that sponsor such changes. এই সময় কি, এই সময় রেস্টিং কন্ডিশনে থাকে, that is a sexual rest. এই সময় কোনো reproductive system এর চেঞ্জিং হয় না, that is a quiescent phase. So basically, we have discussed what are the ovarian, similarly as well as vaginal changes that occur cyclically during the estrus cycle in 4 substages. বোঝা গেছে ফিচারস গুলো, কোনো সমস্যা নেই? Any problem? Thank you. Thank you. Now estrus cycles in rat. The estrus cycle is polyestrus. The estrus cycle is polyestrus. More than one estrus cycle occurs during a specific yearly times, with an estrus period approximately 12 years. Approximately 12 years. Estrus heat period টা কতক্ষণ থাকে? 12 hour থাকে. through different phases of the rats may differ in reproduction. In general, puberty occurs at 6 to 8 weeks when the estrous cycle commences. Each cycle is 4 to 5 days. আমি এখানে আরেকটা টার্ম বললাম, puberty. What is puberty? What is puberty?
যখন ওই মানে ওজেনেসিস বা স্পারমাটোজেনেসিস শুরু হয়
Very simple, yes.
মানে একটা sexually mature phase.
Right, right. Puberty is the time when the individuals become sexually mature. That's when functional gonads are present. In case of male, functional testes. In case of the female, functional ovary. That is the puberty. What is menopause? What is menarche?
The menopause is the means a stopping of the menstrual cycle.
Right, right. At a certain age, the menstrual cycle stops there. So that is the menopause. What is menarche? It is the occurrence of the
And
menstruation.
menarche is the start.
First occurrence of the menstruation. That is the menarche. Very good. You have the idea. Now you see here that are the hormonal levels here. That is the estrogen. And if you see just after ovulations, the estrogen declines. And similarly, just after estrous cycles, the progesterone level is high. You see here. So this is a changes in the follicles. And that is a Graafian follicles. And after ovulations occurs, then it's a form the corpus luteum. So that are the hormonal regulations. Show here one estrous cycles. And you see here, that is a corpus luteum here. And you see here, that is a mature follicles. Now, what are the rat estrous cycles? আমি আগে যেভাবে সাইকেল 1, সাইকেল 2, সাইকেল 3, সাইকেল 4 কে ভেঙেছিলাম, প্রো ইস্টাস, ইস্টাস, মেটা ইস্টাস, ডাইস্টাস, আমি এইভাবে দেখাইনি। আমি এখানে দুটো ফেজে ভাগ করেছি। What are the phases? One is a follicular phase and another is a peri-ovulatory phase. তারপরে আমি আসবো luteal phase. So the meta estrus, if you counted day 1, that is early, ovarian hormone secretion is relatively low. And in late meta estrus, start of the follicular activity. Now the follicular phase, day 2, that is a diestrus. There's a follicles continue to develop, significant increase in estrogen level. Significant increase in estrogen level. There's a diestrus. Diestrus is estrogen level badbe. Now day 3, that is a proestrus. That is a proestrus. That is early conditions. So estrogen also increase, and the late estrogen levels peak at mid-late periods. And the rise in the estrogen stimulates gonadotropin releasing hormone and luteinizing hormone surge. And the rise in the luteinizing hormone will also stimulate pre-ovulatory rise in the progesterones. And the day 4, that is a estrus. So ovulations occurs, you know, that is a time for the heat, and some behavioral activity occurs, receptive behavior for matings. And the late estrous cycles, that declines levels of the estrogens and the progesterone. So diestrus cycle continue হয়ে গেল, সঙ্গে সঙ্গে কি হবে, estrus stop করে দিল after ovulations. That's when cornified যে squamous cells, cornified squamous cells appear হয়ে গেল। তারপরে যে phase আসবে, that is a luteal phase শুরু হয়ে যাবে। That's luteal phase, all of you know. That's a corpus luteum develops from the ruptured follicles and increase in the progesterones and decrease in the estrogens. Similarly, follicle stimulating hormone also increases due to triggering the growth of the follicles. And that depends on whether the female engage in the copulations. That's a vary from a species of rat. Now, what are the difference in between estrous cycles and menstrual cycle? Very simple. You have any idea? What are the difference in between estrous cycles and the menstrual cycles? What are the difference?
The estrous cycle endometriumটা reabsorbed হয়ে যায়, non pregnant endometriumটা কিন্তু menstrual cycle এ সেটা shed হয়ে যায়।
Okay, so estrous cycle, it is a cyclical changes in the activity of the ovaries and also accessory ducts as well as hormones during the reproductive phase of non-primate mammals, right? That is the estrous cycles. Whereas the menstrual cycles, it is also the cyclical changes in the activities of the ovary and also accessory ducts, and that is a reproductive phase of primate mammals. কাদের ক্ষেত্রে দেখা যায় সেটাকে বলুন, একটা non-primate, একটা primate.
Primate mammals.
Yes. Now the females, in case of the estrous cycles that show strong receptively sexual uses, but urges is here. But here the females do not show the sexual urge. That's a mating behavior, heat, that type of the phenomena when ovulation occurs. So estrous phase, that's the mid of the phase where a particular phenomenon occurs. You know, it's a ready to accept mate. In case of the male and the female, male can recognize a female in heat by smell. So such type of the phenomena occurs in the estrous cycles. Now, in case of the estrous cycles, there is a heat productions at the time of the ovulations. There is no heat period, and copulations occurs during any time of the cycle. Menstrual cycle, je kono shomoy copulation kora jay. Now, estrous cycles already Sampriti mentioned. The shedding of endometrium and bleeding do not occur in case of the estrous cycles. Whereas in case of the menstrual cycles, the shedding of the endometrium and bleeding occurs. You know, that happens in monkeys, apes, and the humans. And basically, these are the books: the ovarian cycle of the rat, Freeman, and another books, the estrous cycle in the rat and its associated phenomena, long and events. And these are the links. With the help of these books and links, I have prepared my lecture. Thank you, everybody.